Hello and welcome. I'm Moki Makura and you are watching The Marketing Business. How well do you understand your customer? What role does he play in your business? Well, we've got Doug Leather, MD of Reap Consulting, who believes many companies miss an opportunity by not leveraging their most significant asset, the customer. And he's in studio tonight to give us some insight into customer management. Thank you, Doug. Please tell me, what do you mean by customer management?
I think there are many definitions of customer management. For us, we're in the business, we do define it really as being the way an organization defines the customer experience in order for that organization to acquire, to retain, and to develop profitable customers in an efficient manner.
What about sort of measuring the customer as an asset and putting it onto the balance sheet? Tell me more about that.
Well, what's happened over the last 50 or 60 years is we see an increasingly higher percentage of organizational value reflected on the balance sheet as an intangible asset. And one of those intangible assets clearly is knowledge and insight of customer. So the majority of organizations, rightly so, will measure their performance on solid financial metrics: revenue growth, profitability, EBITDA, PAT. And the challenge really is where does the customer come into play? And the increasing necessity for an organization to be able to measure their effectiveness around that key asset, namely the customer. So we believe that the customer or customer metrics need to sit alongside those financial metrics that we talk about. And those need to be issues like how many of the right kind of client are we acquiring, rather than just based on broad-based acquisition? How many of the right kind of clients are we retaining? What are the strategies and plans and use of funding when it comes to identifying and developing those clients within our portfolio who are most able to be developed, most able to be cross-sold to or upsold to? And then clearly there's the cost to serve. So the optimization of the marketing budget, focusing that on the respective customer segments, and